अस्तु आरम्भं करोतु।
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः।
धन्यवादः महोदय। अस्तु, गतसप्ताहस्य विषये गृहकार्यस्य विषये वा कक्षायां यः वयं पठितवन्तः तस्मिन् विषये केऽपि प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? प्रश्नाः न सन्ति चेत् अग्रे सरामः। We will continue studying towards the exam. So as I mentioned last week, everything we are going to do from now on will be geared only towards the exam. So one thing I would request all of you to do is open your Parichaya book and start going through, not now, I mean at home, start going through each chapter, chapter by chapter. We have Prahelikas that we will cover in the class. Subhashitas, we've covered 7, 3 more are remaining. Katha api asti, we'll do Katha also. And then we covered most of the Vyakarana, all of the Vyakarana components. There are some words, I think they categorize them under the topic of Sangrahya Vishayaha, I think. There are some words that they gave. Throughout the course, we introduced a lot of new words, both in the class and also as part of the homework that you did. So most of those words should be familiar to us. But anyway, go through them. If we haven't covered any of the words, that way you will know what they mean. So in the exam, as we saw last time, there is a component. There is, I think, one question where they'll ask you to write the meaning in Sanskritam and the other way. They'll give it in English and ask you to write it in Sanskritam. So please go through all those words. If there are any difficult words, ask during the tutorial session or in the following classes or on Signal. Then there are 2 other things that are for the exam. One is various Prarthana shlokas. We covered several of them. So Vakratunda Mahakaya, Saraswati Namastubhyam, etc., etc. Again, they'll give you the shloka and ask you to write the meaning. Very simple. You don't have to know any of the Vyakarana components, no identification of Kriya Padam, Nama Padam, etc. They'll simply give you the shloka. You have to memorize the English or Tamil or Samskrita translation and write it in the exam. We will cover them either in this class or during the tutorial session. That is just a memorization aspect of it. There is nothing we have to study as such. And then there is one last component which talks about how many Vedas are there, what are the names of Vedas, things like that. That we know from childhood, or we would have come across them. Again, we will study them either as part of the tutorial sessions or as homework. That's also again just a memorization component. So as I keep saying, there are about 30 to 40% of the questions in the exam that are simply memorization related, and that's why we kept them towards the end. Very simple, very straightforward. But please go through your Parichaya book if you haven't already done that. Now is the time. We have about 10 weeks for the exam. The exam will be on the last Sunday of January. So we have about 10 weeks. So that's about 60 days, plenty of time. Even if you memorize 1 or 2 shlokas, prarthana shlokas per day, there's only 10 of them. So, but please go through the Parichaya book chapter by chapter. And as part of doing that, if you run into any questions, ask them in the following class.
Bhanumadaya,
Vadatu Bhagya Mahodaya.
when we write the meaning of the words in Sanskrit, do we need to write, if you write the dhatu, is okay? I mean, like mirror, darpana, do we need to write darpanaha or darpana? Either one is okay?
No. You have to write darpanaha, because if you remember, darpana is the pratipadikam, just like Rama is the pratipadikam. Pratipadikam by itself cannot be used. It's not a word. It is just a root, a moolam.
Root word, okay.
To which you have to add the various aha, au,
Or
aha,
whatever.
whatever. So you have to write darpanaha.
Okay. Dhanyavada Mahodaya.
Astu. Anye prashna santi va parikshartham? I hope you have all started reading up for the exam. Everybody has worked very, very hard in the last 1 year. So we are in the final stretch. It should be easy for everybody. But at the same time, we have to do our homework in the sense of studying. So please study. We are all here to help you. If you run into any difficulties, ask us. We'll help you.
Bhanumadaya,
Actually,
one of my friend, she sent me the question papers for the 2 exams conducted by Samskrita Bharati from 2015.
Tamam.
So I have 10 question papers until now. Can I upload them to this Sasyam group, Signal group?
Actually, send them an email. It is better. That way, everybody will have it forever.
Okay, because the question papers have some more tricky questions, so we need to look into that.
Good. We will look into previous question papers also. Satya, we started that last time. We will continue doing that.
Bhanumadaya, this mirror, I found it as Darpanika. Is that different? But Bhagya Mahodaya was mentioning Darpanaha or something.
So usually it is Darpanaha. I'm not sure what Darpanika is. Probably mirror. I think we can write that also. The most common usage is Darpanaha.
Okay.
But just like in English, one word can have many meanings.
Okay.
Sri Vidya Mahodaya, please do share that with the email email it to the group.
Okay.
Astu. Prashnaha na santi chet. Let us look at one question. Pruchatu Sumitra Mahodaya.
I have some doubts in if you are using the verb karoti, like patati instead of patati, patanam karoti, like that. I need more examples like that. And where can I find?
Didn't we do one homework, Mahoday, just on this topic?
Yeah, we did, but I need more practice. Like where can I find for any verb, how to find that? Like,
Astu, pashyamaha.
dhanyavad.
Yes.
Good question. So if you have any such questions, please bring them up. We will look at all of them. So, Mama Sanganakam Drishyate va? Can you see my screen?
Mahodaya.
So in the last class, there was a question about Kulasyarthe or Gramasyarthe or Janapadasyarthe. Why arthe, right? So normally when we say Kimartham, why, Kulasyartham is one that we learned, Artham, that form we learned. There is one more form, Arthe. So it means in the interest of. So if you look at it that way, so in the interest of Kula, in the interest of Grama, in the interest of Janapada, then it makes sense. So normally we say Kulasyartham for Kula. That is how we learned it. But there is one more prayoga, Arthe. We will see many usages of this in Bhagavad Gita, for example. So Arthe, if you add it, it just means in the interest of. So that is how to read that. Prashna santi va? Astu. So we have 3 more Subhashitas. We will cover them today. But before that, there are 3 very simple concepts. Yavat tavat, yatha tatha, yadyapi tathapi. So these are 99% guaranteed to come in the exam. So that is why let us spend a little bit of time. So using the yad shabda and tad shabda, we have seen pairings before. Does anybody remember what pairings we saw? Yad shabda and tad shabda.
Like yadi tarahi.
Yada tada iti.
Yada tada we studied. Yaha saha, yasa, etc.
Yadi tarahi.
Yadi tarhi. Yadi tarhi also
Yam.
we. Yam tam, yam tam, etc. But most common ones are yadi tarhi, yada tada. So similar to that. So those are kinds of things that almost always will come in the exam. So where did my screen go? So let us look at 3 more such pairs. I think with this we would have covered everything. So yavat tavat. So yavat just means as much as or so long as. And tavat means it's related to that, that much or that long. So let us look at some examples. Yavat Himalayah bhavati, tavat Bharatadesham bhavati. So yavat, as long as. So as long as there are Himalayas, there will be Bharatadesham. So long will Bharatadesham exist. So yavat Suryah tishtati, tavat Samskritam virajate. So as long as the sun exists, that long or so long will Samskritam virajate. Does anybody know what virajate means?
It will shine.
It will shine. Uttamam. Anybody can identify the lakara of this virajate?
Atmanepadi latlakara.
Atmanepadi. Bhasha.
उत्तमम् आत्मनेपदी लकार वचन
Lot.
why lot
Lot lakara.
Latlakara.
Latlakara ekavachana.
लट्लकार एकवचनं पुरुषः
Prathama purusha.
Prathama Purusha.
so whenever we satyam so whenever we identify a kriya padam we have to say the lakara purusha and vachana all three. For namapadam we have to say the vibhakti vachanam and lingam. So virajate, so lat lakara, it's not lot lakara. So if it was lot lakara, what would be the form?
Is it virajishyate?
Virajatam.
So sha, whenever you see sha, that's bhavishyat kala, rut lakara. Right? Vadatu Meera Mahode.
Virajatam, virajetam, virajantam. Viraje, virajatam, virajadvam, virajai, virajavahai, virajamahai.
Ahi, right?
Viraja vande, no? Vandate vande, vandai.
Vandai, vandavahi, vandamahi.
Vandamahi.
Mahi.
Yeah, lot lakara, yes. Correct.
So it is not tam, right? Virajatam nasti atra. So it's not lot lakara, virajate. So the usually it's easy to identify the lat lakara ekavachana. In Atmanepadi, they usually end in te, e, vande, vandate, vandate, right? Pathat, vandate, pachate, kriyate, etc. Whereas for Parasmaipadi, it ends in ti, I, pathati, likhati, vadati, etc. Spashtam? So what is it saying here? Yavat suryaha tishtati, tavat samskritam virajate. So as long as the sun is there, samskritam will shine.
Shamyata Mahodaya, Prarthanadishu in Atmanepadi, it is Vandai, Vandavahai, Vandamahai only.
Astu, dhanyavadah.
Bhutakala, it is Vahi Mahi.
Astu, dhanyavadah. Srividya Mahodaya, etat prayatnam karotu.
Pita yavat na khadati tavat putraha api na khadati. Whenever the father doesn't eat as much.
Whenever nasti, whenever is yada. Okay.
As much as the father doesn't eat, so long the putra.
Ekakshanam. When you say as much, then the corresponding pairing will be that much. You cannot say that long. So when you use so long for yavat, then only you can use that long. Punaha prayatnam karot.
As much as the father doesn't eat, as much as okay, as long as the father doesn't eat, even the son also doesn't eat.
That makes more sense. Satyam. Yeah. So as much doesn't fit here, as long is a better fit. So maybe the father is still not has not come back from the office. So until or as long as the father does not eat, the son also does not eat. So he's waiting for the father to eat. Sudha Mahodaya.
Suvarnasya mulyam is cost.
प्रथमं वाक्यं पठतु.
सुवर्णस्य यावत् मूल्यं तावत् मूल्यं रजतस्य नास्ति. So मूल्यं is cost.
Or value.
सुवर्णस्य मूल्यं, that is cost of gold. तावत् मूल्यं रजतस्य नास्ति. Rajatam, that is bronze.
Silver.
Okay. The cost of silver is not as much as the cost of gold.
Satyam. Cost or value, dvayapi samyak. So, as much as the gold costs, that much silver does not cost, or silver does not have that much value. Uttama. So, yavat tavat. The other pairing is yatha tatha. We are all familiar with yatha raja tatha prajaha. It exists in our own mother tongues also. Yatha raja tatha prajaha. As is the king, so are the people. And nowadays in democracy, we flip this statement also, right? Yatha prajaha tatha raja. Since the people are the ones that elect the prime minister or whatever. So just like the people are, so is the public servant. Parantu Samskrite yatha raja tatha prajaha asti. So as one thing is, so is the second thing. So we are trying to establish a relationship between two different entities again here, just like we did with the yavat tavat. But here we are describing the quality, so to speak. So in yavat tavat, we are kind of saying, talking about a quantity. Yavat Himalaya bhavati. So as long as, so there the quantity is the time. Yavat Suryaha tishtati, as long as the sun exists. Pita yavat na khadati, as long as the father does not eat. Or suvarnasya mulyam yavat, as much as. So there yavat tavat represents two statements, a comparison, but in the context of quantity. Parantu atra it's a quality. Yatha tata, as one thing is, so is the second thing, or so is not the second thing. So yatha raja tatha prajaha, as is the king, so are the subjects. Vijay Menon Mahodaya, etat patatu.
Bhavan yatha prayatnam karoti tatha phalam prapnoti. Bhavan yatha prayatnam karoti tatha phalam prapnoti.
So take the first part.
Yeah, but it looks like as much. Okay, but so as much as the Bhavan puts in efforts, that will be okay. It can be so as much effort you put in, that so will be the result. So will be the phalam, outcome.
Outcome.
You will receive that much benefit.
As you put in the effort, so will be the result. As the effort is, so is the result. You can probably say as much as the effort is, that much the fruit will be. Prayaha atra yavat tavat api upayoktam shakyate. Bhavan yavat prayatnam karoti tavat phalam prapnoti. That is also possible. Prapnoti lakaraha. Please, what is it?
Prapnoti is lat lakara. And it is Pratama Purusha.
Hmm.
And Vachana also Ekavachan.
Ekavachana. Parasmaipadi va Atmanepadi va?
Parasmaipadi.
Parasmaipadi, because it ends in ti. Ekavachanam, lat ekavachanam ends in ti. Do you know the other dvivachanam and bahuvachanam? Prapnoti?
Prapnoti. Prapnotah probably is dvivachana.
This is one of those slightly tricky ones.
Not prapnotah. So
anybody remember prapnoti?
That is prapnutaha prapnuvanti. Prapnoti prapnutaha prapnuvanti. Prapnosi prapnutaha prapnuta. Prapnomi prapnuvaha prapnumaha.
Tha, madhyama purishe tha, not ta.
Yeah.
Okay. Satyam. Prapnuvanti bahuvachane. Astu, धन्यवादः विजय महोदय, उत्तमम्. बाला महोदय, एतत् तृतीयं करोतु कृपया.
त्वं यथा वदसि तथा एव भवतु. As you speak, so you be, or so you behave, or so you will be.
Or so you may be. So you may
be. Bhavati. Bhavatu. So you may be. Correct.
Bhavatu, what is the lakara?
Lot lakara, ekvachanam, pratama purusha.
Uttama. Uttama. Atmanepadi va parasmaipadi va?
Atmanepadi. Sorry, parasmaipadi.
So bhavatu is.
I was checking whether you remember. Dhanyawada.
My knowledge is very limited, Mahodaya. So it is bhavatu. So only may you be. May you be. Vadasi. Ekakshanam. Vadasi.
Vadasi is madhyama purushaha, ekvachanam, and parasmaipadi.
Lakara.
Lakara is lat lakara.
Anyani rupani kani. What are the other forms? Vadasi?
I don't recall.
Who wants to go? Vadasi? Who wants to try?
Vadasi, vadataha, vadanti, vadataha.
It is similar to patati. Vadati, vadataha, vadanti. Is it not? Vadasi, vadataha, vadata. Vadami, vadavaha, vadamaha.
Satyam. Vadati, vadataha, vadanti. Vadasi, vadataha, vadatha. Vadami, vadavaha, vadamaha. So whenever you encounter these kriya padas as you are reading, start trying to remember what lakara it is, and try to in your own mind do the bahuvachana and the other purushas. That way it's a abhyasa. Astu, dhanyavadah. Bhagya Mahoday, antimam vakyam karotu.
Shresthaha yata acharati tatha janaha api acharanti. The way noble people do, people do the same thing.
Noble people asti va atra?
No, noble person. Noble. The noble person does. People do the same way.
Uttama. Atra ekavachanam asti, atra bahuvachanam asti. Acharati, acharanti. Anya rupani kani? Acharati?
Acharati, pratama purusha, vartamana kala, latlakara ekavachana. Acharati, acharataha, acharanti. Madhyama purusha, acharasi, acharataha, आचरथा उत्तमपुरुष आचरामि आचरामि आचरावः आचरामः.
So in Madhyama Purusha, it is not the, it is tha for both Dvivachana and Bahuvachana. So please be careful.
आचरतः आचरथा.
So if we, यथा वयं वदामः तथा एव परीक्षायामपि लिखामः. So that's another example of yatha tatha. So be very clear in how you pronounce things. So does this remind anybody of a famous shloka in Bhagavad Gita?
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य
यद्यदाचरति श्रेष्ठः
यद्यदाचरति sorry
वदतु विराज महोदय.
No, I know only that line.
राम महोदय वदति वा?
यद्यदाचरति श्रेष्ठः तदेव sorry यद्यदाचरति श्रेष्ठः तदेव sorry I'm not getting it correctly.
मीरा महोदय स्मरति वा?
यद्याचरति श्रेष्ठः
तदेव
सयत् प्रमाणं कुरुते
लोकं
तदनुवर्तते
लोकः तदनुवर्तते. So the reason I bring that up is the meaning is exactly the same. I'm sure this sentence they picked up from that shloka only. But if you look at the first line in that shloka, yat acharati. So you remember yat and tat forms that we learned. So that is a prime example, good example of yat tat. Yat acharati shreshtaha tat eva itara janaha. Other people also
itare janaha.
Same way. Do the same thing. Saha yat pramanam kurute. Kurute. What is kurute? Lakara, etc.
Atmanepati. Pradama Purusha. Bahuvachana.
Bahuvachana. Saha yat kurute. Saha.
Okay. Saha means Pradama Purusha.
Ekavachana. Saha yat pramanam kurute. So what are the other forms of kurute?
Kurute, kurvate, kurvante.
Madhyama Purusha.
That is the homework question.
Kurvadve.
This is the abhyasa also, Mahodaya. It's we are in the final stretch. We are preparing for the exam, so we are doing a review of everything. Vadatu Viraj Mahodaya. Madhyama Purushe Kurushe.
Kurvate, kurvadve.
Kurudve.
Kurve, kurvahe, kurmahe.
Kurvahe, kurmahe. No, the dirgha, right?
Dirgha nasti.
Dirgha nasti.
Kurvahe, kurmahe.
And Prathama Purusha also, there is no kurvante, it is kurvate, no?
Kurvate.
Yes. Yeah, kurvate.
Kurvate, kurvate.
Kurvate. So kru dhatu and ta dhatu, these are the two exceptions we studied.
Yeah.
Mahodaya, this yavat, tavat and the one we studied, they are form of yat only, or is it the vibhakti declination? We have not seen these forms.
No, these are avyayas. Avyaya asti ataha tesham vibhaktihi nasti. Vibhaktayah nasanti. Spashtam va yatha tatha. Yavat tavat yatha tatha. The last one, yadyapi tathapi. So in the last class when we were reviewing the previous question paper, we saw one question about having to write a sentence using yadyapi tathapi. Etatapi avyayapadamasti. Yadyapi tathapi. So yadyapi means though, although, even though. So correspondingly, tathapi means for though, still, even then, nevertheless. So even though something happened, then also something else happened or has not happened. So alasaha yadyapi drudhakayaha tathapi te karyam na kurvanti. Alasaha means lazy people. Lazy people, yadyapi, even though, drudhakayaha, they are strong in body, tathapi, even then, they karyam na kurvanti. They don't do the work. So even though the lazy people may be strong, still they don't work. Rohini Mahoday, etat karotu.
Yatapi sambhashanam karomi tatapi mama triptihi nasti.
Artha kaha?
Though I conversed, though I conversed, even then I was not satisfied.
My satisfaction is there.
My satisfaction was not there.
Is not there.
Is not there. Yes. Is not
Nasti.
there.
Asti. Asti is Vartamana Kala. Uttamam. Atra karomi asti. What is the lakara, etc. for karomi?
Uttama Purusha Krudhatu. Krudhatu karomi.
Vachana lakara.
Vachana ekavachana. Lakara, it is lat lakara.
Uttama. So what are the dvivachana and bahuvachana? Karomi.
Karoti. Kurtaha. Kurta. Karoshi.
Karoti kurutaha kurvanti.
Karoshi kurtaha kurvanti. Karoshi kurtaha kurta. Karomi kurvaha kurmaha.
Karoti kurutaha kurvanti. Karoshi kurtaha
kurta. Kurta. Karomi. Karomi kurvaha kurmaha.
Uttamam. Atra nasti asti. So na asti. Asti. What is asti?
Asti is being. Is
Lakara and all the other things.
Lakara, lat lakara. Pradama Purusha ekavachanam.
What are the other forms? What is the dhatu for asti?
Is it attat?
As. Satya. As dhatu. Asti.
Asti staha santi.
Uttama.
Asi staha ta.
Stha.
Ta. Asmi swaha smaha.
Uttama. Uttama. Sumitra Mahoday, Antima Vakya.
यद्यपि तस्य सम्यक् वाकाशः अस्ति तथापि सः न आगच्छति.
पुनः slowly पुनः पठतु.
यद्यपि तस्य समयावकाशः काशः अस्ति
ah,
तथापि सः न आगच्छति
tathapi
तथापि
ah,
even though you have a time, you don't
you
come.
are
Tasya means if even though his time, no, yes, time
it's
or this time,
in English,
this time is there.
Satya. So literal translation doesn't make sense, but even though
yes,
his time exists, he has time.
Time. Still he does he doesn't come, he does not come.
He does not come. So agachati. Do the lakara
Agachati
and
is
What is the
agachati
dhatu?
is a plus gach.
Dhatu.
Agachati means come. So
Gachati. So let us take the easy way. Gachati. What is the dhatu for gachati? Gum
dhatu. Sorry, gum. A plus gum.
So what is the a there?
Upasarga.
Upasarga. So in this case, upasarga is changing the meaning to opposite. So remember, upasarga can change the meaning to opposite, enhance the meaning, or change the meaning in a different way. In this context, gachati is goes, agachati is comes. Vadatu.
So agachati is prathama purushah ekavachanam latlakarah. And agachati, agachatah, agachanti, and agachasi, agachatah, agachata.
Tha, madhyama purusha, it is tha. This tha,
Yeah,
not this tha, this tha.
Yeah, second tha. And third is agachami, agachavah, agachamah.
Uttama. Dhanyavadah. Any questions on these three? Yavat, tavat, yadyapi, tadapi, yatha, tatha. Astu, abhyasam kurmaha. Prashnaha no santi chet, abhyasam kurmaha.
Always in the future tense, no?
Huh?
All these sentences will be in the future tense.
Vartamana-kala mahodaya, kurvanti, asti, karomi.
Okay.
Hemanti mahodaya. So you have to pick the proper pair, yavat, tavat, yatha, tatha, or yadyapi, tathapi, and tell the sentence.
As the mother speaks, so does the child repeat. As the mother speaks, so yatha tatha. So yatha janani vadati. Yatha janani vadati, tatha child shishuhu anuvadati.
Uttama. Yatha mata vadati, janani vadati, shishuhu tatha anuvadati. Vadati, anuvadati. Uttamam. So mata api we learned, right? Mata. Do you remember what mata is? What is the pratipadikam, etc.?
Mata. Matru.
Matru. So mata is what vibhakti, etc.
Mata is prathama vibhakti. Ekavachanam.
Lingam.
Strilingam.
What are the Prathama Vibhakti forms for Matru?
Okay. Mata. I haven't done these yet.
Astu. Does anybody remember the Vibhakti forms for Matru? Anybody?
Mata. I can
Matarau, mataraha.
I can try.
Try. Okay. Meera Mahoday, you try the first 4 Vibhaktis. Bhagya Mahoday, you try the last one. Or first 4 and 4, because we have Sambodhana also.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Mata, Matarau, Mataraha.
Ekakshanam. Atra Dvivachane Matarau Asti. Because it is a human relationship.
Yeah.
Whether if it is Karta, Kartru Pratipadikam Asti Chet?
Kartarau.
Karta, Kartarau, Kartaraha. So even though both of them are Rukaranta Shabdas, Matru, it's a human relationship. Same way, Pitru, it's a human relationship. Bhratru, brother, etc. So, Mata, Matarau, Hraswa, Matarau, Mataraha. Parantu, if it is Karta, a doer, but not a human relationship, Kartarau, Karta, Kartarau, Kartaraha. So, in Dvivachana, it will have a Dirgha. That is the only difference. The other forms are the same. Agre vadatu Mahoday. Sambodhana. Meera Mahoday, mute madhye asti va?
He Mataha. He Matarau. He Mataraha. Mataram. Matarau. Matruhu. Matra, Matre, Matrubhyam, Matrubihi.
Matra, Trutiya Vibhaktau,
Matra, Matrubhyam, Matrubhi. Then Matra,
Matre, Chaturthi, Matre.
Matre, Matrubhyam, Matrubhyaha. Then Matuhu, Matrubhyam, Matrubhyaha, Matuhu, Matroho, Matrunam. Then Matari, Matroho, Matrushu.
Uttama.
Dhanyavada Mahoday.
Prashant Mahoday, etat karotu.
Even though there was no power, the students still studied for them. Yadyapi
Vidyut. No. Power is Vidyut.
Vidyut na Asti or Bhavti?
Asti. Let us take Asti.
The students still studied for the exam. Then just studied. The student
Chatraha.
Chatra Patati studied for the exam. Patat, like studied, would it be the past tense? Yes.
Astu, that is fine. Astu.
Chatra for the exam.
Kimartham for the exam, Chaturthi Vibhakti.
No, exam is. I don't remember the exam.
Pariksha.
Pariksha. Apatat.
Pariksha is Ekavachanam. Prathama Vibhakti.
Pariksha.
For the exam. Parikshayai. Astu. Or Parikshartham. Sampurnam Vakyam Kim. What is the full sentence?
यद्यपि विद्युत न अस्ति छात्रः
परीक्षार्थं
परीक्षार्थं अपठत्
तथापि we have to use the तथापि also. यद्यपि विद्युत् नास्ति तथापि छात्रः परीक्षार्थं पठितवान् अपठत् or पठितवान्. Remember there are we studied 3 forms of bhutakala. Apathat.
Yes, one was for the
Patitavan is another one. What is the third one?
Third one, I don't remember right now.
Sri Vidya Mahodaya, Smarati va? What is the third form of Bhutakala that we studied?
Patitavan, Apatat, Apatan.
Sudha Mahodaya?
Can I tell Mahodaya?
Astu. Sumitra Mahodaya, prayatnam karoti.
Patati sma.
Pathati sma. Sma. So please remember sma almost guaranteed to be in the exam. So if you haven't done the homework or if you haven't caught up on that topic, please revise that topic or study that topic. 99.9% you will get a question on sma. Pathitavan, apathat or pathati sma. Uttama.
Mahodaya, here's to student Patitavan, but you can also use Patatisma.
Patatisma, he used to study. So there the meaning is slightly different. It won't be studied. He used to study. Past continuous iti Angla bhashayam vadami khalu. Vadamah khalu. Evam. Astu. Chaitra Mahodaya, etat karoti.
Astu Mahodaya. As much as he likes playing, he does not like to read. As much as yavat tavat. So yavat saha likes playing. So
or to play.
Likes ichhati. Likes to play. Playing, likes to play. Kreditum? No, kreditum.
Satyam. Kreditum.
Kreditum. Yavat saha kreditum ichhati. Tavat saha pathanam na ichhati.
Pathanam kartum or?
Pathanam kartum na
Ichhati. So Sumitra Mahavir, since you asked this, Pathanam kartum. So how will you convert that into one word?
Pathanam kartum.
Pathitum.
Patit. Yeah, patit.
Astu. As we encounter such things, I will bring them up. Astu. Saha yavat kreditum ichhati, tavat pathitum na ichhati. So Chaitra Mahodaya, what is kreditum or pathitum? What
tumun pratyaya, right?
Tumun pratyaya.
Tumun pratyaya. Patitum also tumun pratyaya.
Uttam. Dhanyavadah. Viraj Mahodaya.
I do not know Sanskritam as much as my teacher does. So as much is there, then yavat tavat. I do is there, so Uttama Purusha. I do not know Sanskritam. Aham Sanskritam na janami is the thing. As much as my teacher. Mama shikshakaha janati.
Now combine them using one of these forms. Yavat tavat, yatha tatha, yadyapi tathapi.
यावत् अहं संस्कृतं जानामि न जानामि I think that will contradict, I think, right? So yavat
ulta. Try the other way. Yavat mama shikshakah.
यावत् मम शिक्षकः जानाति तावत् अहं संस्कृतं न जानामि.
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्. So यावत् मम शिक्षकः संस्कृतं जानाति तावत् अहं न जानामि. अत्र यथा तथा अपि उपयोक्तुं शक्यते. As my teacher knows Sanskritam, I do not know it that way. Right? Even in English, we can say that. So, in many cases, we will know whether it is yavat, tavat, or yatha tatha. But in some cases, you can use either one. So this is one such case. Yavat tavat, yavat mama adhyapaka sanskritam janati, as much as tavat aham na janami. That is correct. Yatha tatha also is correct. Vijay,
you mentioned one is a comparison in terms of quantity, the other one is in terms of quality, right? Okay, so yavat tavat is as much as, so it is more in terms of quantity. And as and so it's in terms of quality. Okay, yeah, both can be used in this way.
Satyam. That's a good way of thinking about it. So if you think about the quantity of Sanskritam your teacher knows versus we know, then you can use yavat tavat. But if you use it in terms of quality, yatha tatha. Uttamam. Next one, please, to Vijay Menon Mahodaya.
As long as there is work, he will be in the office. Okay, as long, and so yavat tavat only. Yavat karyam asti tavat saha karyalayam asti.
Karyalayam va? In the office.
Okay, so saptami. Karyalaye asti.
Asti va, will be in
yavat
the
karyam. Oh, bhavishyat kala. Yavat karyam asti tavat saha karyalaye asti bhavishyat.
Bhavishyati.
Bhavishyati.
Astatu bhavishyat kala will be bhavishyati. Bhavishyati, bhavishyataha, bhavishyanti. But madhyama purusha and uttama purusha forms?
Of bhavishyati or?
Astatu in rut lakara, bhavishyat kala. Bhavishyati, bhavishyataha, bhavishyanti. That is the prathama purusha. What are the madhyama purusha and uttama purusha?
Bhavishyasi is there, is it? Bhavishyasi, bhavishyataha, and bhavishyatha. Bhavishyatha. Is it?
Tha. Both are tha. Dvivachanam and bahuvachanam tha.
And uttama purusha will be bhavishyami. Bhavishyami, bhavishyavaha, and bhavishyamaha.
Uttam. Dhanyavadah. Narayanan Mahodaya. Etat karat. नारायणन् महोदय अस्ति वा?
आम् महोदय।
कृपया करोतु।
सा अन्नं ददाति।
मीरा महोदय, let him try please.
यावत् अन्नं न अस्ति, not much, right? न किंचित अस्ति. I'm allowed to use kinchit.
You can use kinchit, parantu think for just a second. Don't go by much food. What is more appropriate, yavata or the other form? Even though kada upayojyamaha?
यद्यपि किंचित अन्नं न अस्ति, सा भिक्षुकं
दानक्रिया gave
भिक्षुकाय ददाति.
यद्यपि अधिकम् अन्नं नास्ति तथापि सा भिक्षुकाय ददाति. Here it should say gives, not gave, gives, because we are using dadati. Yadyapi annam nasti tathapi sa bhikshukaya dadati. So dadati is what, Mahodaya?
Sorry, dadati is what?
Lakara and what is the dhatu, etc.
Dadati is parasmepadi. प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन.
What is the dhatu?
द धातु.
Da dhatu.
Okay, da dhatu.
Lakara?
Lat lakara.
Lat lakara. What are the other forms?
Dadati, dadate, dadati.
So Sudha Mahodaya.
Dadati, dattaha, dadati, dadasi, dattha, dattha, datta, dadami, dadvaha, dadmaha.
Punaha.
That's a tricky one.
That is why we are revising everything. Dadati, dattaha, dadati.
Dadasi, dattaha, dattha, dadami, dadva, dadvaha, dadmaha.
Dadmaha, Satyam. So please, as you go through these abhyasas, revise those concepts also. That's a easy way of remembering things. Sudha Mahodaya, Bhikshukaya. What is the vibhakti, etc. for Bhikshukaya?
Bhikshukaya. That's Chaturdhi Vibhakti. Pradhama Purusha Chaturdhi Vibhakti Ekavachana.
Prathama Purusha va? Linga.
Bhikshukaya. Linga is Punlinga.
So please remember, for Namapadam there is no Purusha. Lingam for Namapada, Linga, Vachana, Vibhakti. For Kriya Padam we have Purusha, Vachana and
Kala.
Lakara. Kalaha or Bhavaha. Kalaha or Bhavaha. So
LVV.
Astu.
Linga, Vachana,
So Bhikshukaya Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekavachanam. What is the Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam?
Bhikshukaya Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramibhyah. Bhikshukaya Bhikshukabhyam and Bhikshukebhyah.
Uttama. Uttama. Sampurnam vibhakti table vadatu krupaya. Bhikshukah.
Bhikshukah. I can say Rama. Ramo.
Parantu parikshayam. This is how they will ask you in the exam. Bhikshukabhyam means what? They will ask you something like that. So this is all revision. So don't worry. The whole purpose of this class is revision.
Bhikshukah, Bhikshukau, Bhikshukah. Hey Rama. Hey Bhikshuka, hey Bhikshukau, hey Bhikshukah. Then comes Ramam. Bhikshukam, Bhikshukam, Bhikshukau, Bhikshukah, Bhikshukan, Raman. Then Ramena. Bhikshukena, Bhikshukabhyam, Bhikshukaihi.
Bhikshukaya. Ekakshanam. Bhikshukena.
Ramena, Bhikshukena.
Natvam
Bhikshukena, Bhikshukabhyam, Bhikshukaihi. Bhikshukaihi. Then fourth one is Bhikshukaya, Bhikshukabhyam, Bhikshukebhyah. Then Bhikshuka, then comes Bhikshukat. Bhikshukat, Bhikshukabhyam, Bhikshukebhyah. Bhikshukasya, Bhikshu Ramayoho, Bhikshukayoho, Bhikshukanam. Then Rame, Bhikshuke, Bhikshukayoho, I don't know, Bhikshukasu or Rameshu, Bhikshukeshu. Bhikshukeshu. Is it Keshu or Kesu?
Shu.
Bhikshukeshu.
Uttama. So please do revision like this whenever you encounter any words. So Panchami Ekavachanam, you said Bhikshukat. What is Bhikshukat?
Bhikshukat, Bhikshukataha. We can also say Bhikshukataha.
Uttama. We can say Bhikshukataha. So instead of, if you don't remember the Panchami form, Taha is an equivalent. So add Taha to the Pratipadikam. So take the Pratipadikam and add Taha. It will give you the meaning of from Panchami Vibhakti form. And you can do it for any linga. Sita Taha, Rama Taha, Bhikshukataha, Phalataha, any lingam, just add Taha and you'll get the Panchami Vibhakti meaning from iti. Evameva abhyasam kurvantu gruhe. Whenever you read a subhashitam or shlokam or whatever, this is the best way of remembering things. Instead of memorizing table after table after table, at least for me, this way works. Astu, prashnaha santi va? Let us look at prahelikas. These are also important. You will get at least 2 prahelikas and they will ask you to give the answer. So our job is easy. We just have to memorize the prahelika and the answer. There is no, they will not ask you for what is the vachana, vibhakti, linga, etc. or the kriya pada, lakara, nothing. You simply have to know what is the prahelika. Prahelika just means a riddle. Angla bhashayam riddle iti vadamaha khalu. So you have to know what is the riddle and what is the answer. So most of the time the answer is 1 word, 2 words. So it's these are all taken from the Pravesha book. अस्तु श्रीविद्या महोदय कृपया पठतु.
अस्थि नास्ति शिरो नास्ति बाहुरस्ति निरङ्गुलिः नास्ति पादद्वयं गाढम् अङ्गमालिङ्गति स्वयं.
पुनः पठतु.
अस्थि नास्ति शिरो नास्ति बाहुर् अस्ति निरङ्गुलिः नास्ति पादद्वयं गाढम् अङ्गमालिङ्गति स्वयं.
अस्थि नास्ति शिरो नास्ति बाहुरस्ति निरङ्गुलिः नास्ति पादद्वयं गाढम् अङ्गमालिङ्गति स्वयं. So you have to break here. Nasti padatvayam gadham angamalingati swayam. So those who know the answer, please don't say. Who know what is asthi? Anybody knows what is asthi mean?
Bones.
Bone ekavachanam. Asthi. Bone. Nasti. Shiro nasti. Shiro here is shiraha. Because of sandhi, it became shiro, but shiraha nasti. What is shiraha?
Head.
Head. Head nasti. Bahurasti. Bahuhu asti. What is bahuhu?
Arms.
Bahuhu asti. Arm. Ekavachanam.
Bahu.
Nirangulihi. Angulihi. What is angulihi? What is angulihi?
Fingers.
Fingers. So the reason I'm going through each of these body parts in detail is there is one chapter in Abhyasa Pustakam that has the different body parts in Sanskritam that might also come in the exam. That is why I'm taking a little bit of time to go through the Prahelika, even though we just have to know the answer for the exam. So Asti, bone, Shiraha, head, Bahuhu, arm, Angulihi, fingers, Pada Dvayam. Pada is what?
Legs. No, leg.
Leg. Pada Dvayam. Dvayam, when do we use Dvayam?
Two, no?
Pada Dvayam. So it has no.
When it comes in parts.
No. Pada Dvayam. Dvayam, Trayam, Chaturtham. Does anybody remember we studied that?
Yes. Up to that 4, there is variation depending on.
Vadatu.
No, I was saying for up to 4, it can change based on the linga of the object, right?
Ekaha.
It can be eka.
Ekaha, eka. Ekam.
Dvayam.
Dvayam is fine. What is the number? Sankhyaayam kim asti? Dve.
Dvau, dve.
Dvau, dve. 3.
Trayah, tisrah, trini.
4.
Chatvarah, chatasrah, chatvari.
So for dvau or dve, we can use dvayam. So dvau balakau or balakadvayam. So 2 boys or a pair of boys. Dve balike or balika dvayam, two girls or a pair of girls. Evameva dve phale or phala dvayam. Who wants to do for 3? Take balakaha, balika and phala. Simple. Sumitra Mahodaya. Trayaha balakaha.
Tisraha balikaha. And Trini Palani.
Trini Palani. Sri Vidya Mahodaya, 4. Wait. So for Sumitra Mahodaya, for the 3, Trayaha balakaha. So same thing, do it like we did Dvayam.
Trayam.
So for all
Trayam balakaha. Trayam balikaha.
No. So Balakatrayam, Balikatrayam, Phalatrayam. So you have to add the Dvayam or Trayam to the Pratipadika. Balakadvayam, Balikadvayam, Phaladvayam or Balakatrayam, Balikatrayam, Phalatrayam. So when you use Dvayam or Trayam, will it be Ekavachana or Bahuvachana?
Ekavachana.
So Dvau Balakau is asti. What do you say? They exist. Dvau Balakau.
No.
Staha.
Asti.
Staha. Dvau Balakau. 2 boys. Two boys.
If you use Dvayam, it will become Asti.
Vakyam vadatu
Balaka Dvayam. Oh, sorry.
Balakaha Dvayam Asti.
Balaka Dvayam. So you have to add the Dvayam or Trayam to the Pratipadika, not to Balakaha.
Only Balak.
So for 2 girls and 2 phalas, what will it be, Vijay Menon Mahodaya?
Balika Dvayam Asti and Phala Dvayam Asti.
Uttama. Sri Vidya Mahodaya, do it for 4.
Chatvaraha, Chatvari, Chatushtayam.
Chatvara. 4 boys.
Chatvaraha, Balakaha, Santi.
For Strilinga?
Chatvari Balikaha Santi.
Is it Chatvari Balikaha? Anybody?
Chatasraha.
Napumsakalinge?
Chatvari.
Chatvari Bali
Palani.
Chatvari Palani Santi.
Chatvari Palani Santi. Same thing, instead of using Chatvaraha, Chatvari, etc. If you use just like we had used Dvayam and Trayam, what will it be for 4?
Balaka Chatushtayam.
Chatushtayam. For Balika and Phala?
Balika Chatushtayam Asti. Alam Chatushtayam Asti.
Phala Chatushtayam.
Phala.
You have to add the Dvayam, Trayam, Chatushtayam to the Pratipadika. So to Balaka, Balika, Phala, you have to add the Dvayam, Trayam, Chatushtayam. Is that clear?
Mahodaya, Chatasraha or Chatasraha?
Chatasraha. Strilinga. Sa and Ra, half Sa and Ra, half Ra. So Gadham Angam. What is Angam?
Body.
Body. Alingati. Angam Alingati. So it is Angam Alingati. What is Alingati?
Hugging the body.
Hugging the body. Swayam, on its own. So it has no bones, it has no head, it has no arm, it has no fingers, it has no legs, but it hugs the body on its own. So what is it?
As a bahu.
Okay.
It's shown, Banu Mahoday.
The answer is there.
Oh, answer is I'm showing the answer. Yutakam shirt. I must have clicked the key by mistake. Asked. So in the exam, you'll just be given this prahelika, and all you have to write is Yutakam as your answer. That's it. You don't have to explain.
What is Gadam? What is Gadam?
Tightly.
Oh.
So you just have to say Yutakam as your response, and you'll get 3 marks or 4 marks. So please spend some time learning the prahelikas. There are 10. We will do 2 in each class. So by the end of December, we would have covered all the prahelikas. So this is one of the scoring questions in the exam.
And Banu Mahoday, only one of these 10 only will come. 1 or 2 of these 10. Not anything else.
Satya. For the Subhashitas, for the Prahelikas, for the Prarthana Shlokas, they'll all come from the Pravesha book only. That is why I said these are memorization things. There is nothing for us to derive in the exam. We don't have to apply our intelligence. We just have to remember. Smaranameva avashyakam.
Mahoday, should we memorize the prahelika?
You can. I'm a lazy person and I'll just remember the first 3 or 4 words or some keywords.
No, just know the meaning is enough, or
meaning is enough. So they will give you this prahelika and say what is the answer. In the answer sheet, you have to write the one word Yutakam and nothing else. And he will score 2 marks, 3 marks, or whatever.
Okay. I thought we should explain it in English or what.
No. No, as far as I know, you don't have to explain anything.
Then that's okay.
No, actually, I take it back. Meera Mahoday, Narayanan Mahoday, you had written the exam recently. Do you have to write the English explanation also?
Not of the prahelika, you just need to give the answer.
So if we say Yutakam, it's enough, right?
Yutakam, or you can say shirt also.
Shirt also. Astu. That is what I thought.
Dhanyavad.
Explanation is only for the Subhashitani.
Explanation is for the English translation is for the Subhashitani. Astu. Chaitra Mahoday, yetat patatu krupaya.
Kim ichhati naraha kashyam bhupanam ko rane hitaha ko vandyaha sarva devanam diyatame kamuttaram.
Punaha patatu.
Kim ichhati naraha kashyam bhupanam ko rane hitaha ko vandyaha sarva devanam sarva devanam diyatame kamuttaram.
Kim ichhati naraha kashyam bhupanam ko rane hitaha ko vandyaha sarva devanam diyatam ekam uttaram. Diyatam ekam uttaram. So they are saying diyatam, lot lakara, diyatam. Give ekam uttaram. Give one answer to all 3. Kim ichhati naraha kashyam. What does this mean?
Ichhati kashyam. Kashyam in Kashi.
In Kashi. So Kashyam, what is the Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam? Lingam?
Strilingam. Kashi.
Kashi.
Kashi. Dirgha.
Ikaranta Strilinga. Kashi. That is why. So Kashyam will be?
Saptami Vibhakti. Ekavachanam. Ekavachanam.
So Kimichhati Naraha Kashyam. What does a human being expect or like in Kashi?
In Kashi.
Bhupanam Ko will be Kaha. Kaha. Because of Sandhi it will become Ko. Bhupanam Kaha Rane Hitaha. Bhupanam. I think we didn't cover this. Bhupanam means of the kings. Bahuvachanam. So this English translation, I typed it directly from the book. It should be kings, Bahuvachanam. Bhupanam, of the kings. Shashti Bahuvachanam. Rane Bhupanam Kaha Hitaha. In the war, what is hita of the kings? What is the hitam of the kings? What is good or desirable by the kings?
Mahodaya, so Rane, Ranaha, is it Ranaha or Ranam, Pullingam, Athva Napumsakalingam?
Pumlingam iti manye. Ranaha, Ranau, Ranaha. Rane, Rane, Ranayoho, Raneshu. Ko Vandyaha Sarvadevanam. Ko will be Kaha. Because of Sandhi, it will become Ko. This should be Devanam.
Among gods.
Among gods. Typo asti. I will fix it. Devanam. Who is Vandyaha, who is prayed among the gods, or who is the most excellent among gods. So give one answer to all three. Iti prashnaha. So what does a human being expect in Kashi? What is desirable to kings in war? What or who is the most respected or prayer worthy among gods? Give one answer to everything.
Mahodaya, Vandyaha Bhutakalam. Vandyaha, what form is it? Vande, Vandyaha, Vandyaha.
Kaha Vandyaha. So Visheshana Vishesha Bhavaha asti. Kaha Vandyaha, who is done Vandanam to. So Ekavachanam. Vandyaha, Vandyau, Vandyaha.
Dhanyavada.
Astu. So what do people desire in Kashi?
Mukti.
Mrityuhu. We have to be specific. Mrityuhu. What do
Jayaha. Vijayaha, right? Vijaya, win.
Jayaha or Vijayaha. Among gods, who is the most respected or venerable? Shivaha. I mean, you can say whatever you want. In this case, it happens to be Shiva. So, what does a man want in Kashi? Mrityu, desirable for kings. Jayaha, who is the most venerable among gods. If you combine these two, it will become Mrityunjayaha. Mrityunjayaha is nobody but Shiva. So, in the exam, you have to just write These three, Mrutyum, Jayaha, Mrutyunjayaha. That's all you have to write in the exam. Astu, we ran out of time to do the Subhashitas, but that's okay because we revised so many topics. We will continue to do the same way because you can always sit at home and memorize Subhashitas and Prahelikas. But at the same time, I want you to have Abhyasa of the Vyakarana also. Prashnaha santi va? No chet samapayamaha.
Mahoday, eka prashna asti. This Vandyaha, I'm looking at Sanskrit dictionary. Visheshanam bhavati.
Kaha Vandyaha, Visheshanam. That's what I said. Kaha Vandyaha, Visheshana Vishesha Bhavam asti. Satyam. Kau Vandyau, Kaha Vandyaha. Evam. Hemanti Mahoday, Prashna asti va?
No, I'm okay. Dhanyavada.
Astu. We will stop here because we are out of time. I will stay back. If you have more questions, you can ask me. Viraj Mahodaya, Krupaya Mangala Shlokam Vadatu.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Avashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Tat Sat.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Sarvesham Dhanyavadaha Asti.
Dhanyavadaha
Asti.
Dhanyavada Mahodaya.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.